is Brian Doan from Vietnam. My company, we are the #1 construction specialist company here in Vietnam. Working with Curecrete distribution over the last 20 years. We've done some pretty amazing project and the product worked really well, fantastic. In this industry, I love it, it's totally different to what I'm doing before. I spent more than 20 years working with computer hardware and software development, and I got burned out. I want to do something different. So back in Australia, I worked with a corporate customer, and I found out about Formula product accidentally. And I also met Mr. Jerry John 20 years ago. He's such a nice man, and asked for the opportunity to be able to work with him directly for the Vietnam market. In the first couple of years, we have no idea what we're doing, to be honest. We work with mostly construction company. They always want someone to do cheap quality, and it took a lot of time and energy, but we end up going nowhere. There must be a better way to work here. So we focus all our energy into architect and consulting company. Architect company, consulting company, if you can deliver good quality work, good quality product, then they're more happy to specify you on the next project. The Formula worked really well, fantastic. We put down on every job site we work on, we specify. If the customer okay, then we apply Formula on every single project. We worked on some of the project 20 years ago. After 20 years, the flow still look beautiful. And that's something we don't have to worry about. And the people at Curecrete, wow, fantastic people. And the support is fantastic, and the architect from architect company, engineering firm, they really appreciate the quality work they do for them, and we have so much work over the next 20, 30 years. Our company reputation keep on going up, and we have a wonderful team in Vietnam, and the people we work with is fantastic. I always tell my employees, just be patient, be honest, be fun, and the right people will come along and give you 100% support. Thank you very much, Mr. Jerry Jones and Curecrete Distribution team for the wonderful support. We really appreciate everything tonight. One step at a time, and don't give up. Whatever it is, don't give up. Just keep on working and moving forward slowly, but one step at a time.